Good evening, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel. I'm demonstrating my indicator, which is very superior actually. It has been upgraded with certain other features because taking care of the market structure. Market doesn't move at a stretch, it halts. At that period, the confusion will set into the people who traders, and then they will do mistake and they will enter into wrong trade. Actually, this indicator will tell you everything and sit behind you, and it will tell you no, 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 it is not a buy, you need to go short. That is the beauty of this indicator. So in this indicator, rolling pivots rolling pivots, there is an option in the setting. You need to disable only R1 and S1 and pivot, rolling pivot. And you need to change the time frame to hourly when you are doing an intraday trading. That is very, very essential. For the swing trade, I'm going to make another video with the selection of the stocks and all those things. Now, let I am demonstrating with the playback mode how this performed, how you could have taken position in the put option. See, initially it made a low of 25,211, and then it rallied up to 25,331. 211 to 331, almost 120 points rally. The people might usually, the amateurs, they don't get the idea. They will go wrong by entering into the long position, thinking that market will go up. That is the, so it was telling, even I am on the 15 minutes time frame, you can see this indicator is telling you sell. Even if it is going up, it is selling you sell, because the indicator is, sell signal is generated for the indicator. And later, the market went through consolidation for nearly, after this huge uh, gap down and the imbalance. I had already told, when there is an imbalance, market tries to consolidate. You can see it consolidated from 9:30 till 1 o'clock. Only around 1 o'clock, the strong sell signal was generated. Otherwise, you can see the price moving within this boundary. No, there was no trend at all. Trend generated around 150. Let me show you with the playback replay mode. You can see how the market behaved, and I'll explain you step by step how the market will do. Let me start the playback mode. It is starting now. In this indicator, so many added features are added. Timestamp is also added. So it is superior when compared to the other one. Considering so many things, it has been upgraded actually. You can access to that. I've made a video. It will be aired around 5 p.m. You can watch that. See how the market, it is fast. Let me go back to little bit slower playback replay mode. Let me go back here. Let me start the replay mode again. Point 2. Let me select the speed of 0.2. Let me start the playback mode. Yes. See how the first candle, this is the last candle of the previous day. The first candle gapping down and forming a bullish, this one. Immediately it was a buy actually. Even though it had gapped down, it retraced back to this level. You can see over here. But it was a selling option, and I'll show you how the put option has given so much money. It actually it consolidated the entry 25,500 put option, gave the entry around 174, 166 to 174. Then it rallied up to 268, and you could have taken this trade with the help of this indicator without any hassle. See, the market is going sideways. When it goes sideways, these are the blue and purple colored bars or the narrow range bars, NR4 and NR5, indicating that market is going to go sideways because it was a huge imbalance. After the gap down, the movement wasn't very quick and it was a huge imbalance. Still, this indicator is plotting sell. Why? The price is not unable to cross above the Gann HiLo. Gann HiLo at from here to here, it has not changed its color. That is the beauty of this. Real sell came around 115. You can see how the market moved. How the market moved downwards. Just watch it, how it is moving downward. It breached this low and went up to, you can see, so fast it is going. Already I had marked these levels because I was anticipating this level. Let me see. So it is already 3:15. The market has closed. Let me show the playback mode for the put option, how it mimics the underlying and how you could have taken trade. This one. Here the entry, already I had marked the entry over here. So clearly the entry was defined over here. The reason for me to say this is the perfect entry because the candle closed above the pivot and R1. Nowhere backside it, though it closed, it failed actually. It could not go up. Only here around 115. I am zooming it out. You can see the buy signals are generated, and this is the pivot, rolling support, Gann HiLo. Gann HiLo has not turned its color at all. It is just like a cushion. It is holding the price and it is saying, I am here, you go long. Even if you do mistake in your entry, you can trade very nicely. See, if you would have taken entry around 174, that will be an aggressive entry. Only professionals can trade. Even if you trade, if you have taken that entry around this area, you could have held with comfortable even though it comes down, because in the 5 minutes chart, on the 5 minutes chart, it will be see the consolidation over here. It consolidated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars. 45 minutes it consolidated above the R1, above the R1. That is extremely bullish. Next, it took off and the market moved. You can see from over here the price. If I place the cursor, it was around 180 to it was fluctuating between 170 to 188. I'm not exactly telling that. You can see the move so perfectly, ball by ball, back, candle by candle. It is telling you, it is giving you running commentary. It is buy. You need not worry. Even here, when it came down, it was telling you it is a buy. Later, you can see later, after the fall of 247, again it expanded to 40 points. from 247, it expanded to 40. Even within a single 5-minute candle, you are seeing 13,335. You are seeing the low was 256 and the high was 287. Now, within a single 5-minute candle, you could have captured this money, or if you would have entered, what a huge money you could have captured. This is a very beautiful indicator. It is brainchild of me. I've struggled hard day and night by thinking what should be the best indicator. No, nothing beats this. No RSI, no MACD, nothing. It is the purely based on price action. So you can comfortably trade. Even if the market goes sideways, you will have conviction to hold the thing. It has been coded like that. Even for the sideways market also, you will be comfortable to hold the position. So friends, this is the demonstration of the indicator upgraded version. You can access it. You can contact the person. The mobile number is 83750 62010. You need to pay the required amount. Even the upgraded version is not charged heavily. Little bit advanced. Since it is advanced, little bit more has been charged. If you are serious enough to make money, not to lose money in the market, you will definitely contact and purchase this. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.